Good morning, student. Standard 9, subject maths first. Lesson number 1, sets. Out of them, we are solving the practice set number 1.4. First example. Before that, we use the rule N A union B is equal to N of A, number of elements of A, number of elements of B, minus number of elements A intersection B. We use in this solving the example in 1.4 this formula. First example, number of elements in A is equal to 15, number of elements in A union B is equal to 29. Then number of elements A intersection B is equal to 7. Find number of elements B. Solution. By using this rule, N A union B is equal to N A plus N B minus N A intersection B. Here the values are given. We write this formula again to solve this example. Then by putting the values N in union B, what is the value? 29. Then N, number of element, Na is what? What is the value of Na? We are putting this value. We don't know the value of B. We are finding out it. Minus N intersection B. N intersection B. That value is the 7. Then by transferring, by adding this to this, there is a plus and minus, so it will be a subtraction. 15 minus 7, what is that? 8 plus number of elements of a B, and here is the 29. Then by transferring, by changing the side from right hand to left hand, plus it becomes a minus. When we are changing the side, sign will get changed. Is equal to N in bracket B. 29 minus 8, what is that? 21 is equal to N B. Therefore, our answer is number of elements in a B is equal to what? 21. Number of elements is what? 21. It is our final answer. The second example in 1.4, I read here. In a hostel, there are 125 students. How many students? 125. Out of which 80 drinks tea. Only the tea. Only 80 students drinks the tea. 60 drinks the coffee. 60 students drink the coffee. And coffee, tea and coffee, both. How many students? 20 students drink the tea as well as the coffee, both of it. Then find number of students who do not drink. जो कॉफी भी नहीं पीते और टी भी नहीं पीते, ऐसे स्टूडेंट हमको निकालने हैं. Therefore, what will be given? First right. In a hostel, how many students? There are 125 students. There are 125 students. So number of A union B, or in a universal set. Hostel is a universal set. So we write here number of elements in a universal set. Hostel is a universal set. How many students? 120. Then 80 students drink tea. Means we consider those students who are drinking the tea. That set is denoted by A. So number of elements in a A is equal to how many students drinks a tea? 80. Then number of students drinks the coffee. This coffee set we denoted by the B. Number of students drinking the coffee. For coffee we are taking as a set B. How many students? 60 students are drinking a coffee. And then the student drinking the both tea as well as coffee. Tea as well as coffee means N A intersection B means both are the common. The elements of elements A and B, both students are common when they are drinking tea and coffee. It will be a 20. It is denoted by N number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 20 means tea and coffee drinking करने वाले बच्चे 20. So again by writing this formula and substituting the values in a given formula. This is our formula. Substituting the values, number of elements in A, this is 80. Number of elements in B, 60. Minus number of elements A intersection B is what? 20. Number of elements in universal set, it is not a is equal to A union B. It is not equal to A union B is not a number of elements in a U. So it will remain as it is. Firstly we find number of elements in A intersect A union B. So by adding it 80 plus 60 we get the 140 minus 20. 140 minus 20 how many? 120. We get the number of elements in A union B. We got the answer of this. Union B is what? 120. Means the union of A union B is equal to what? 120. Means these students are drinking tea, coffee, and both of the students are drinking tea and coffee. So totally we get number of elements in A union B is equal to what? 120. What a question asks, find the number of students who do not, this is what is important, do not drink, ना टी भी पीते हैं और कॉफी भी नहीं पीते, ऐसे लड़के निकालने में. अभी वह ये जो स्टूडेंट है 120 वो टी पीते हैं, कॉफी भी पीते और टी एंड कॉफी बोथ भी पीते. ऐसे कितने स्टूडेंट मिल गए? 120. और हॉस्टल में कितने स्टूडेंट्स है? 125. देयरफॉर तो बाकी के बच्चे कितने बच गए जो कुछ भी नहीं पीते? मींस 125 माइनस 120 इट विल बी 5. सो वी आर राइटिंग स्टूडेंट who do not drinks tea and coffee is equal to NU minus N A union B is equal to total number of students in the hostel is 125 minus A union B is equal to 120. So we got the final answer 5. Those students who are not drinking the tea and coffee is a 5 student. It is our answer. Example number 3 and 4 are taken from the syllabus. I got to go on notification. Question number 5. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the answer. Observe the given Venn diagram. This will be a Venn diagram. Observe the given Venn diagram. This is the universal set. A and B are subsets. The elements are given. The common elements are also given here. So we are writing the element first. Find out the elements of A. Number of elements of A. Which are included? This circle is of a set A. So X, Y, Z. These are the common for A and B. So it is also included. Means in a total circle. Which are the elements? They are in a set A. Means X, Y, Z, M and N. These elements are included in a set A. Then in a set B, M and N are both common for A and B. So in this circle of a B, which are the elements P, Q, R and M and N? P, Q, R, M and N. Both are the M and N are the common. Means we will only take the circle of a B. P, Q, R, M and N. S and T are not included. The A and B, it is included in this universal set. Then A union B. Then A union B. दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन. What is the दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होगा? X, Y, Z, M and N and P, Q, R. Which are the elements? X, Y, Z, the common elements, and the remaining in a B, which are the P, Q and R. So this answer. Then universal set. This is the rectangular set is a universal set is denoted by rectangular set, and this is the universal set. Means all are the elements X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R in A and B, and this S and T also. All are included. All are the elements. So we are writing X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R, S and T. Means ये पूरे रेक्टेंगल में जो भी है वो सब इसमें इंक्लूड होंगे. A, capital A and B are the set, so we are not written here. Okay. Then A dash means A complement. जो एलिमेंट्स A में है, लेकिन जो एलिमेंट्स A में कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स जिसके A में जो एलिमेंट है वो छोड़कर बाकी के एलिमेंट मीन्स A में कौन है? X, Y, Z, M and N. और कौन से नहीं है? P, Q, R. P, Q and R. And who will remain in the universal set? S and T. मीन्स सिर्फ एक के छोड़ के कौन कौन से यूनिवर्सल सेट में ए में कौन कौन है? X, Y, Z and M N. X, Y, Z, M N. Will remain P, Q, R, S and T. वो क्या होगा? ए के कॉम्प्लीमेंट में होगा. सेम वे B का भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो B में है लेकिन B में नहीं है वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आएगा. तो ये सब क्या है? B में. तो रिमेनिंग आर X, Y, Z and S, T. X, Y, Z, S and T. This is a B complement. Then A union B. A intersection B.